science class. Today we will discuss about pollution. Pollution is when something is added to environment that is harmful or poisonous to living things. Smoke or dust in the air is a type of pollution as it is bad for lungs when we breathe in. Swell in drinking water is another type of pollution as it can make people ill because it contains germs and viruses. People living next to a building sites where there is too much noise can be caused as they cannot sleep. As pollution grows, ways to combat has grown to solar energy and wind energy, give people other ways to power their home. When people use these alternative form of energy, they put less carbon dioxide into the environment. Pollution is four types: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and land pollution. And two other type of pollution: plastic pollution and thermal pollution. First we discuss about air pollution. Here are some ways from which air pollution occurs. Air pollution is caused by poisonous gases, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide and very small particles. It is also caused by the smoke and harmful gases released by the fire that make vehicles and factories go. Use of coal, wood and kerosene as fuel for fire also cause air pollution. Air pollution may cause breathing problems such as asthma or other health problems. It also causes disease like cancer. Air pollution causes global warming and acid rain. It results in increased temperature, erratic rains and drought worldwide. This makes it difficult for the living organisms to survive. Next we will discuss about water pollution. Water pollution is the presence of harmful materials in water such as soils, dissolved metals, waste from farms, factories and crude oil spilled from oil tankers. The three main substances that pollute water are nitrates from fertilizers, sewage and detergents. Activities such as bathing and washing clothes near lake, ponds or rivers add nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus into the water bodies. This leads to excessive growth of algae on the surface of water. It blocks the penetration of sunlight and air, thus reducing oxygen. Pollution causes harm to organisms living in water and can also harm people's health. In extreme cases, it may cause problems such as cancer. Noise pollution. Noise pollution, also known as sound pollution, is noise which is harmful to humans and animals. This includes the sounds of vehicles, loudspeakers, etc. Noise pollution can cause ear problems or even permanent deafness, especially to older people. Next is land pollution or soil pollution. Soil pollution is when man-made chemicals such as hydrocarbons, heavy metals, solvents get into the soil. These chemicals come from industrial activities and from bad wastage disposal. Soil pollution may cause health risks. The chemical can produce harmful vapor or they can contaminate water supplies underneath the polluted soil. Now we will learn about two other pollution. Number first, plastic pollution. And second, thermal pollution. First we talk about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic products in the environment that adversely affect wildlife habitats or humans. Next, thermal pollution. A common cause of thermal pollution is the use of water as a coolant by power plant and and industrial manufacture. This puts back warm water and so raises the temperature and decreases the oxygen content of water. Now we talk about how does the pollution affect the human life and environment. First we talk about human. Advisor, air quality can kill many organisms including humans. Ozone pollution can cause respiratory disease, cardiovascular disease, throat inflammation, chest pain. Oil spills can cause skin irritation and rashes. Noise pollution induces hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress and sleep disturbance. Mercury has been linked to developmental defects in children and neurological symptoms. Older people are majorly exposed to disease induced by air pollution. Those with heart or lungs disorder are at additional risk. Children and infants are also at serious risk. Lead and other heavy metals have been shown to cause neurological problems. Chemical and radioactive substances can cause cancer and well as birth defects. Now we will talk about environment. Pollution has been found to be present defects in the environment. There are a number of effects of this. The emissions of greenhouse gases leads to global warming which affect ecosystem in many ways. Nitrogen oxide are removed from the air by rain and fertilize land which can change the species composition of ecosystem. Soil can become infertile and unsuitable for plants. This will affect other organisms in the food web. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide can cause acid rain which lower the pH value of soil. Organic pollution of water causes can dip oxygen level and reduce species diversity. Pollution control. Pollution control is a term used in environmental management. It means the control of emissions and influence into air, water or soil. Without pollution control, the waste products from overconsumption, heating, agriculture, mining, manufacturing, transportation and other human activities, whether they accumulate or disperse, will degrade the environment. Recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste material into new materials and objects. It is an alternative to conventional waste disposal that can save material and help lower greenhouse gases emission. Recycling can prevent the waste potentially useful materials and reduce the consumption of fresh raw material, thereby reducing energy uses, air pollution, water pollution. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction and the third component of reduce, reuse and recycle. Thus, recycling aims at environmental sustainability,